My entrance hallway got covered in wet mud. The easiest way to deep clean dirty carpet is to use microsponges. Water should never be used on carpets because it's fuel for nasty microbiology like mites, bacteria and mould, as well as potentially causing problems like seam splitting, warping and wick back of dirty spots. Get rid of the worst of any messes first and let them dry, then use microsponges to deep clean at the end. If the stain is already dry, such as a load of dry mud prints, then you only need to use microsponges. First, vacuum up any loose soiling so you don't end up dissolving it back in, using a high-performing vacuum cleaner. This gets the carpet mostly clean, and only a bit of staining is left. Then sprinkle some microsponges down and brush them in with a gentle feather-tipped indoor broom. Very light strokes, you're not shoveling rocks, and it's not tiring if you do it right. Each brush over rubs millions of tiny moist sponges across the dirty fibres that dissolve and wipe away sticky dirt. Leave it to dry so the microsponges siphon up all the dirty solution. The harmless dry cleaning chemicals evaporate fast because they're solvents and not water-based, and they also harm microbiological nasties like mould and are hostile to mites. After about half an hour, vacuum up the now dry and dirty sponges, leaving behind an as-new carpet. This is much cleaner than if you'd used water, especially deeper down, and it stays cleaner because there are no nasty water-based cleaning chemicals that leave behind sticky residue that attracts more dirt afterwards. It's faster and more convenient than water-based cleaning from carpet washers and achieves far better results both short and long term. All the biodegradable dirty sponges are in the bin, which also cleans it. And these can be dumped in the bin without any mess on good cleaners.